Premier League newcomers Mount Pleasant Academy look set to host Monday night games as they are partnering with the St. Anne Football Association for the use of the Drax Hall Sports Complex. As Simon Preston reports, infrastructural work is well underway for the facility to be ready for September 10.
Although Mount Pleasant's much talked about academy with multiple pitches will not be ready for the September 16 start of the Red Stripe Premier League, the management of the club is taking steps to ensure fans will be treated to top-class football in the parish through a partnership with the St. Anne FA. David Galloway is the managing director of Mount Pleasant Academy.
We are doing some serious work here, and the field is almost where we want it to be. The perimeter fencing is 90% completion. The changing rooms are now in construction. By now on Monday we're supposed to be good.
President of the St. Anne Football Association, Danny Beckford, says that the Drax Hall complex will be ready for Mount Pleasant Academy's first home game of the Red Stripe Premier League season on September 23. Beckford gave TVJ Sports an update on the upgrades made to the facility.
What is happening now is that our first game would be on the 23rd of September. So I think we have enough time to get things together. And if you see behind me where the new changing rooms are being built, we have stands installed already. We have the fencing almost up and running. The field in itself is in pristine conditions. So with the pending inspection from the PLCA JFF, then all systems go.
Drax Hall will now join the Montego Bay Sports Complex, Waterhouse's Drewsland, Arnett Gardens' Tony Spalding Sports Complex, Cavalier Stadium East, and the compound at Harbour View as venues capable of hosting Monday Night Football. Galloway is confident the team will get good support at Drax Hall.
Well, I can assure you that this is what St. Anne has wanted for many years. The last time we have Limal FC qualifying for the National Premier League, that's about 10 to 11 years ago. And now that Mount Pleasant has been qualified for this tournament, St. Anne people was hungry for this, and I can guarantee that we're going to have the full support of them whether we win, lose or draw.
Galloway says the freshly laid field will be ready for the grand opening on Monday, where Mount Pleasant will host Cavalier SC in a pre-season friendly.
I've ordered some lights, and by Friday we should be putting in some lights. So come Monday night, lights will be ready for Monday night game.
TVJ will again broadcast Monday Night Football starting September 17 with a clash between last season's beaten finalist Waterhouse FC taking on promoted team Dunbeholden FC at Drewsland. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.